Okay, and test going the other way. Okay, so it's activated, so it should go soon. I think it's going to make a left turn here, which is fine. Oh, yeah, good. This is fine.
Now turn right onto Bothell Everett Highway.
All right, that was good. Very good maneuver.
Now turn right onto 228th Street Southeast.
Okay, I'm going to dial up a little bit, make it a little challenging, like going a little bit faster through this construction up ahead. Yeah, for some reason FSD always wait till the very last minute to make a change of the lane change here, because you can't go straight. Check this out. There you go. Yeah, always does this. There it is. Okay, we'll see how FSD will handle. Utility work ahead. It's just slow down. There it is. It's slowing down. Way down. That's good. Very good. It slows way down. That's very good. There it is. It changed lane to the middle lane. Awesome. That's perfect. Very good. Good job, Tesla. That was perfect. All right. Now back up again. So now everything else should be a piece of cake. That was a perfect maneuver by FSD. Version 12.3.5. Not raining outside, but for some reason the wiper kept activating because it was in auto, so I had to turn it off.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto State Route 9 Southeast. Now turn right onto State Route 9 Southeast. In 1,000 feet, turn right. Now turn right.
All right, we are the first customer at Costco.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Awesome. Parking lot is empty. Signal right here.
Now your destination is on the right.
Oh, see, it's not going that direction. Okay, decided to go left. That's fine.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Oh, I'm not the first customer. It's another person. Okay. Push a little bit further. Looking for a parking spot. All right, there you go. Step on the brake. Okay, arrival. Just for fun, for entertainment purposes. That's an auto park. And it should end this video after a perfect auto park. All right, there you have it. FSD did a perfect maneuver around road construction. decreased the speed down, way down, and made an appropriate lane change. Everything was fine. All right. Thank you.